Welcome back, SEOCurrent family. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating but also holds the potential to boost your income in just one day: affiliate marketing. If you're ready to turn your passion into profit, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Here's how you can kickstart your affiliate marketing journey in just one day. Step 1. Find your niche and audience. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to know your audience and understand their needs. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has a dedicated audience. This will make it easier for you to create content that resonates and converts. Step 2. Choose high-quality affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Select programs that offer high-quality products or services, have a solid reputation, and provide competitive commissions. Research and choose programs that align with your niche and cater to your audience's interests. Step 3. Create engaging content. Content is king. Produce high-quality, engaging content that adds value to your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, or social media content. Showcasing the benefits of the products or services you're promoting in an authentic way will build trust and encourage your audience to make a purchase. Step 4. Promote your content strategically. It's not just about creating content, it's also about promoting it strategically. Leverage social media, email marketing, and SEO to increase the visibility of your affiliate content. The more eyes on your content, the higher the chances of conversions. Step 5. Track your results and analyze data. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Monitor click-through rates, conversion rates, and other relevant metrics. This data will help you understand what works and optimize your strategy for better results. Bonus tip: build relationships. Building relationships with your audience and fellow marketers can open new doors for collaboration and future opportunities. Engage with your audience through comments, emails, or social media. Networking within your niche can also lead to potential partnerships and increased affiliate earnings. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a powerful income stream that you can tap into in just one day. Find your niche, choose quality programs, create engaging content, promote strategically, track results, and don't forget to build those valuable relationships. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep optimizing your success with SEOCurrent.